Good morning and welcome to the Banggai Islands. This is the official Banggai Island and I have actually been here for over 24 hours so far. However, it has rained. So yesterday it basically rained the whole day and today I have hired a scooter and it has done a very good job at raining the majority of the time here as well. So I have hired the scooter and I have come to a beach. So this beach is popular because of that red arch there. And while it has temporarily stopped raining, I do not think it's going to last. But yeah, it's very nice. I'm going to spend a little bit of time walking around. I don't think I'm going to swim here because I want to swim at the next one. So yeah, let's take a moment to take in this beach and then head on our way. So we have got some catching up to do. It's been a bit later. I'm actually at my last stop of the day. So shortly after I spoke to you, 4 girls from the homestay I'm staying at showed up on the beach. And then we ended up playing some games with a load of the kids. One of the girls can speak Bahasa Indonesian, so she was communicating with them how we play these games. So that was fun. And then I went to White Sand Beach. Now honestly, I wouldn't bother. The beach is covered in rubbish, and I mean covered. So I'd skip it. Instead I'd go to Bone Bulason, I think it's called. That's the third beach I went to, and it was absolutely amazing. The sand was so white, it didn't even look real. The water was so clear. Unfortunately it did start raining and the guide was like, if you want to get back up the road you have to leave now, because if the road gets wet then you're kind of stuck there. Luckily it didn't rain too much, so I was able to get back up to make it to my 4th spot, which I have just finished now, and it is this beautiful waterfall that leads into the sea, and there is actually a small pool that you can swim in, but I didn't because I want to try and make it back to my homestay before dark. But yeah, it's been a great day. If you don't know how to get to this waterfall, because there are some stairs behind me but they're very worn away, there are 2 girls that are playing in the waterfall and running up and down the stairs all the time, so they will show you the way. But yeah, absolutely beautiful day. Hoping tomorrow is better weather, fingers crossed, so we can do some more. But if not, day 2 had some weather that was successful at least. So hopefully we can continue on this same path if it doesn't get better. But yeah, I'm going to head back now. And if I see anything to stop for along the way, I'm sure you will too. If not, I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. Today is my 2nd day being able to explore the island, and I have gone on a boat tour with one of the girls from my homestay. We are visiting 3 islands. It is costing 650,000 rupiah for the 2 of us, and we are at our first beach. So this is Togong Palpo Beach, and it's very pretty, very small, but I'm going to get in now and see what it looks like. So we are now at Long Beach. The first beach, the sea didn't have much. It was very dead and there were a lot of jellyfish. So we left that pretty quickly. And this one apparently doesn't have any jellyfish. So we're going to go in. We're going to hope this big grey cloud leaves. And then we'll fly after and see what that looks like. Because so far all of these beaches have looked amazing from the sky. But yeah, let's go for a swim. We are now on our third and final beach of the day, Oyama Beach, and this one might be the most beautiful. It is a lovely curved bay with white sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, and while the snorkelling isn't the best here, because at the last one it was amazing, I don't know if I mentioned that. I don't think I did. The snorkelling at Long Beach is amazing, you definitely have to do it. We are going to go in and have a little snorkel and see if we can see anything, so let's jump in now. As you can tell, there is nothing to see in the sea, however the bay is absolutely beautiful. This was our last stop of the day before heading back to the homestay, and at the homestay we went for a quick swim to see the Banggai cardinal, which is only found in this bay of Banggai. Overall, I really enjoyed my time on the island, and to leave the island I actually flew back to Laut, which cost about £20, and I was a little bit nervous as there's only 12 seats and everything including you gets weighed, but the views were absolutely amazing, and I would recommend to take the flight either to the island or leaving the island, as it can basically be classed as an activity in itself. It is a lot more comfortable than the 8-hour boat that I took to get on the island. But that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.